The sound the letter J makes. What sound does the letter J make? J, J, J. Can you say it with me? J, J, J. That was very good. J, J, jungle. Can you say it with me? J, jungle. Awesome. J, J, J is for jungle. What sound does the letter J make? J, J, J. Can you say it with me? J, J, J. That was very good. J, J, jet. Can you say it with me? J, jet. Super. J, J, J is for jet. What sound does the letter J make? J, J, J. Can you say it with me? J, J, J. That was very good. J, J, jellyfish. Can you say it with me? J, jellyfish. Fantastic. J, J, J is for jellyfish. Thank you for watching Glammy and Friends. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.